Hi, it's Patricia from the Southwest Yankee. What some middle-aged women will do. Rain buddies, the ants. Bite moment, the creatures that crawl across the ground. Genesis 1:24c. So you could just imagine it hadn't rained in 67 days. And last Monday, we received 13 inches of rain. So I have all these pictures of ant mounds. These aren't those huge ones, these are the little ones. So I just gotta show you the pictures. It's just amazing, the different patterns. So I will show them to you. So wait for those pictures. There'll be a lot of pictures before I'm speaking now, but so remember to subscribe. Enjoy the pictures. Bye.